Welcome back to Reviewsinsidetv, where today we're taking a look at the Miele Classic C1 Turbo Team Bagged Canister Vacuum in Tech Blue. If you're on the hunt for a vacuum that combines precision, power, and a little bit of German engineering, this could be the one for you. We'll break down the features, performance, and everything you need to know to decide if it's the right fit for your home. Let's get started. The Miele Classic C1 Turbo Team is a canister vacuum that's designed to tackle homes with hard floors and low to medium pile carpets. Miele has always been known for its precision engineering, and this vacuum is no exception. What stands out right away is the versatility, powered by 6 suction settings that allow you to adapt based on the surface you're cleaning. Whether it's a hardwood floor, tile, or a soft carpet, you can adjust the suction for optimal performance. But power isn't the only thing this vacuum has going for it. The vacuum is equipped with Miele's AirClean System, a 3-tier filtration process that includes a FilterBag, motor protection filter, and an AirClean Exhaust Filter. If you're sensitive to dust or allergens, this system ensures that the air in your home is cleaner after you vacuum than before, which is a pretty great touch if you suffer from allergies. The vacuum also includes a variety of attachments, such as the TurboTeQ Floorhead for carpet cleaning, the SBB Parquet-3 Floorhead for delicate hard floors, and other tools like a dusting brush, crevice tool, and upholstery tool, all of which make it easy to tackle a variety of surfaces and hard-to-reach spots. On the practical side, this vacuum is built for maneuverability. The lightweight canister design makes it easy to carry around, and it glides effortlessly around furniture, even under low clearance areas. The hose is long enough to reach far corners, and the flexible head design allows you to swivel and pivot for a truly effortless cleaning experience. Whether you're cleaning along walls, around furniture, or under tables, you'll notice how smoothly it moves. But it's not just about maneuverability. This vacuum has a robust build that should stand up to the test of time. Now, in terms of real-world testing, we put this vacuum through its paces on various surfaces. First up, hardwood floors. The SBB Parquet-3 Floorhead was absolutely stellar. It picked up everything from fine dust to crumbs, leaving the floors spotless without any risk of scratching. Moving to carpets, the TurboTeQ Floorhead didn't disappoint. It did a great job picking up embedded dirt, pet hair, and debris from low to medium pile carpets. For those of us with pets or long hair, the TurboTeQ's motorized brush did a surprisingly good job lifting stubborn pet hair without getting clogged. However, if you have a thick, high-pile carpet, you might notice it doesn't have quite the same deep cleaning power as some heavier-duty vacuums, but that's really to be expected for this class of vacuum. When it comes to emptying the bag, Miele's FilterBag system makes it easy to dispose of debris without creating a mess. The bags are large enough to avoid frequent changes, but you'll likely need to swap them out every couple of months, depending on how often you clean. The noise level is also pretty moderate. While not the quietest vacuum on the market, it's not disruptive either, and the sound is relatively smooth, so it won't grate on your nerves while cleaning. Now let's talk about the cons. While this is a great vacuum overall, it's not without its limitations. The fact that it's bagged might not be ideal for everyone. Some people prefer bagless vacuums for the convenience, but for those who prefer the added filtration and less mess when emptying, this system is a plus. The hose could also be a little longer, especially if you need to reach up to higher shelves or deep under furniture without moving the vacuum itself. And while the 6 suction settings are fantastic, you might find that the lower settings still don't provide quite the deep clean some heavy-duty models offer for thick carpets or larger homes. Comparing this Miele vacuum to some of its competitors, you've got to consider the value for money. In this price range, there are a few other bagged and bagless canister vacuums that offer solid performance, but few can match the filtration system and maneuverability this model brings to the table. The combination of powerful suction, ease of use, and the quality of Miele's engineering definitely makes it a strong contender. However, if you're looking for something with more heavy-duty suction for thick carpets, there are options like the Dyson Ball Animal 2 or Shark's Apex Duo Clean that might be worth checking out. In terms of build quality, This vacuum is made with premium materials. The construction feels solid, and the components like the hose, wand, and floor heads all lock into place securely. The dustbin is easy to empty, and the bag system keeps dust contained. Definitely a bonus for those with allergies. Long-term durability looks promising, but it's still a bit early to fully gauge how well it'll hold up over time. Miele has a good reputation, but like all vacuums, proper maintenance, such as regular filter changes and brush roll cleaning, will be key to ensuring longevity. The customer service experience with Miele is generally solid, with prompt responses and helpful support if any issues arise. Miele's warranty policy is also something to consider if you're looking for peace of mind with your purchase. In conclusion, the Miele Classic C1 Turbo Team is a fantastic choice for homes with hard floors and low to medium pile carpets. It excels in filtration, maneuverability, and versatility, making it ideal for smaller to mid-sized homes or apartments. If you have pets or allergies, the AirClean Filtration System is a major bonus. However, if you have deep pile carpets or are looking for something that can handle large, messy areas with maximum power, you might want to explore other options. For its price, though, it's a solid investment for those seeking a reliable and high-performing canister vacuum. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in getting the Miele Classic C1 Turbo Team, you can find the link in the comments box below. Be sure to leave a comment if you've used this vacuum or have any questions about it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future reviews. Goodbye till next time. May your cleaning be as smooth as this vacuum's glide.